Challenge in the first writ petition was to the order passed by the District Magistrate Allahabad dated 2/8/2004, holding that respondent Pramod Kumar Shukla had received grant in aid to the tune of rupees 21,27,500 under government order dated 21/7/1986 by concealing facts and by practicing fraud. It was pointed out that he had concealed the fact that he was not the owner and was not therefore entitled to receive the grant in aid. Therefore, in exercise of powers conferred under Section 5 (3) of the UP Cinema Regulation Act 1955, order of recovery was given and grant in aid sanctioned to him void office order dated 10/4/1990 was set aside. Application for renewal submitted by said Pramod Kumar Shukla was rejected in exercise of powers conferred under Section 21 of the UP General Clauses Act 1904. Further order was passed under Section 12 of the UP Entertainment Tax Act 1979, directing him to deposit the amount of entertainment tax collected by such cheating and fraud during 2/4/1996 and 1/4/1995, amounting to rupees 21,27,551. The brief facts of this case are that the respondent Pramod Kumar Shukla is the son of Sri Satya Prakash Shukla, who is the appellant in appeal arising out of special leave petition. A cinema hall named Girija Chitralay was granted temporary permit for 6 months. Undisputedly, on 10/11/1986, the original owner Sri Girija Shankar Shukla had executed a power of attorney appointing his grandson Pramod Kumar Shukla as the power of attorney holder. The said power of attorney was executed on 10/11/1986 and was registered with the Sub-Registrar, Farrukhabad. On 31/10/1988, permission was granted to construct a permanent cinema hall. Pramod Kumar Shukla had made an application on 6/9/1988, suppressing the fact that Girija Shankar Shukla had expired on 31/3/1987. In the application filed, Pramod Kumar Shukla described himself as the owner of cinema hall and indicated in the application that he was running a temporary cinema hall and wanted to construct a permanent cinema building on the concerned plot of land. He did not apply as a power of attorney holder but stated that he was the owner. Permission was granted on certain conditions by the District Magistrate Allahabad. It is the stand of the appellants that Pramod Kumar Shukla falsely represented himself as the owner and the license was granted on the premises that Pramod Kumar Shukla was the owner of the cinema hall. His father Satya Prakash Shukla made a representation and therefore there was no renewal of the license, which operated from 30/3/1990 to 31/3/1993, both days inclusive. A show cause notice was issued on 19/6/2004 alleging that the permission granted for operating the permanent cinema hall was obtained by suppressing the factual position by Pramod Kumar Shukla, misrepresenting himself to the owner. Notice was given to show cause as to why the amount of grant in aid which was obtained by fraud and by concealing the facts shall not be recovered under Section 12 (1) of the Entertainment Act and the grant in aid sanctioned by order number 299 dated 10/4/1990 should not be cancelled and the application for renewal of license should not be rejected. Stop.